Today I'm going to be compression testing my 270,000 mile E46. At least I think it's around 270. I haven't drove this in so long. Okay, 263,000 mile with a M54 B25. It's burning oil and misfiring, and I kind of feel like it's losing compression, but we'll see. All right, so this is a fairly easy thing to do. I'm just gonna start off by taking whatever this is called off. Your cabin air filter housing, maybe. Something like that. Well, yeah, so these are all Torx T30s. This whole thing. Alright, so now that everything's freed up, I'll just start taking the coil packs out. Yeah, quite a bit of oil on these things, which is probably old because I haven't checked the spark plugs since I changed the valve cover gasket. So now all I'm gonna do is come over here, pull the DME fuse right here, just to make sure that the injectors don't fire while I'm cranking it. Let it turn over 6 times and then we'll come and check. I just have this hose screwed in to where the spark plug goes, and it comes up to this. I honestly, okay, so we got 180 on the first cylinder. There's just a little release valve here. Right around 160 on cylinder 2, which ideally we want to stay, I think, within around 10 psi, so that's a little low. All right. Oops. Probably not supposed to do that, but whatever. You can see, just off of sticking that in there though, a lot of oil in cylinder 5. Still think it might just be because I never pulled the plugs after I did the valve cover, so it's probably old. Last cylinder. So here's the results. Everything looks pretty good. Obviously this kit from Harbor Freight might not be like exactly accurate, but at least we know everything's right around each other. 2 and 6 were a little bit low, but nothing super crazy. So there you have it, 260,000 mile E46. Still has good compression. Probably still gonna be trying to source a new motor for it, a 3 liter, just just because of it. It's gonna blow up eventually, or even if it doesn't, I still want the 3 liter, so might just be making excuses.